Hey there, welcome to Rows. In this video, we'll be looking at how you can connect your bank account in a row spreadsheet and then create a table to visualize balance over time. Let's dive right in. The first thing I'm going to do is click on our data actions button here, search for bank. And at this point in time, Rows can connect to over 12,000 different banks across the EU and the US. I'm going to go ahead and click on bank accounts and then get balance from your bank account. You can find the bank accounts that you've connected to from the connection drop down here. You can also go ahead and add new accounts if you wish to do so. I'm going to go ahead and select the N26 for now. In case you have more than one account in the same bank, you can find those accounts from this drop down like so. Next, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Create Data Table button here. Give it a quick second, and there you have it. Note that our integration only pulls the balance as of today and not the historic ones. And to automatically pull the balance every day, the next step I'm going to do is click on the Automation tab and toggle on the data refresh. By default, we have set this to refresh every day, which is perfect. You'll also notice that the table behavior is set to log the balance data based on the account ID and the date on which it was retrieved on. I'm going to go ahead and close this panel here. And as an example, this is what the data should eventually look like. You can then chart this using our AI analyst as well. So I'm going to trigger that and say, create a chart of available amount based on date. Hit enter, give it a couple seconds. And there you have it. I hope this video helps and thanks for watching.